and it is Single Ladies Saturday. So, the single ladies are right here. There's some single ladies, and we've got a kind of a fluorescent green thing going on here. This is a completely open collab. Anyone who sees this collab, if you would like to join, just use hashtag Single Ladies Saturday, and you know, let me know, look me up, or comment below, and look me up on Instagram. Send me a DM. We'll get you into the chat room. It's twice a month, the first and third Saturday of the month. Basically, this is a no pressure collab. If you don't have the time for 6 months, awesome. If you want to do it every single time, awesome. If you want to do it once a month, awesome. Whatever fits, whatever works. The biggest point for this whole collab is to use up these single ladies that we never seem to get to use. So, mirror. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what do we got here? First we're going to do like a transition shade, and then somehow we're going to figure out how to use this really, I put a little bit on the top so you can see that's the shade it is. Yeah, we're going to figure out how to use that. So let's go. Ooh, this is kind of dark, but you know what? Sometimes it is what it is. I'm just going to put a little transition shade above. Oh, a leaf fell or something, and we're being protected from, you know, the murderous falling leaf. Good girl, good girl. I find that just telling her she's a good dog works a whole lot better than yelling at her. Yelling at her just gets her upset, and then she just barks more. Hey, who's a good girl? When I tell her she's a good girl, she kind of feels like, okay, I've done what I'm supposed to do, it's over. Unless she hears another sound, and then it's on. Okay, so, ooh, in the crease, what are we going to do in the crease? I think I'm going to use this black, and then I'm going to use this kind of mossy green, and then we're going to go with, you know, the wildness. Ooh, it's a Jeffree Star black now, you know. Alright, let's do some blending. If you just put on a little bit and then blend into your transition shade, it's still pretty dark. Maybe black wasn't the way to go, but you know, we're getting on Halloween, so I'm kind of going there. All right. See what we can do with this side. You know, wrinkles, the struggle is real. It's like you go back and forth over the wrinkles, and they just, you just end up with areas that don't pick up any shadow because the wrinkle folds over top of it in both directions and drives you absolutely crazy. Whew. So, okay. I don't know. Should I put the fluorescent on the outside or on the inside? I kind of want to put it on the inside. I am going to go with this kind of extra shiny thing right here and just go a little bit using the same brush. Yes, I am. Whew. Just go up here under the brow just to give me a little more, you know, shiny. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That is pretty. It's got a little bit of a, I don't know, maybe a little bit of a green to it. Maybe blue. I don't know. It's just pretty. It's just pretty. So you guys, if you watch Mass Monday, you know that I do some Bible readings. I've been reading Genesis because I've never read the Bible, and I thought that this was a good way to get me to read the Bible. And I only have 2 weeks left and Genesis is over, and I'm just not sure yet I don't know if I want to continue to you know, read online or, you know, in the video, or if I'm just going to start reading it on my own. Now that I've gotten started, okay, so, yikes, alright, we're going to open this up. Actually, I need some, maybe some setting spray. Some setting spray. You know, something I picked up at TJ Maxx. Alright, I don't have enough hands here. I need more hands. I totally need more hands. Very carefully, because it is a loose pigment, and y'all know what happens. Y'all know what happens. Loose pigments are wild. They're wild. Spray a little bit on our silicone applicator, and there's a lot on the edges, so I'm going to try to pick up what's on the edge first, because in my experience it doesn't take much. Okay, and we're going to go, wow, careful. Yeah, this is definitely not a shade I want all over the place. Right? Well, it's, you know, I know it's kind of a glow in the dark blue light thing, which I might could do for like a video, but I'm not. Not like I'm going to parties with that kind of thing going on, you know. So I don't think I would actually purchase this, because I just wouldn't put enough use into it, but it's fun. This was just a sample that I received from Flex Beauty. Okay, I think maybe just a little bit more. I'm really trying to be careful, because you know I don't want any fallout. I don't want this like all over my face either, right? That could be fun. Lots of fun. This doesn't pick up very easily either. I'm having a hard time getting it out of the container. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Now let's do the other side. I'm just trying to kind of press it on first and then sort of go from there. This is my bad eye. I have a hard time with this eye because it just, you know, I cross over in front of it with the brush. Oh, come on. Don't get wild on me. Come on. It's just harder to see, especially when I'm trying not to block you guys. Well, that's some kind of, I feel like I need a little more on the other side just because it seems deeper. This is what I do, right? Oh, Jiminy Crickets. Too much, too much. I wish I had a blue light. I mean, I have one, I just don't have it. I don't have it in anything. I have the bulb. Okay, and now we are going to immediately, I mean, there's not much in there. I don't know if I can show you or not. I took it out of its little bit of cellophane and put it in this jar, so yeah, you know, there's not a whole lot in there, but that's okay. There's enough to have, you know, a little bit of fun with every now and again. And let's see if we can't wipe some of this off of here, although I don't think it's going to make a big difference even if there's some on there. All right, and let's go in with that mossy green right there, and I should have maybe tapped this off. I mean, it is Jeffree Star, right? Whew. So next week, I have some loose pigments that were gifted to me. I won a little giveaway, and basically she asked me if I would like them because she doesn't use loose pigments, and I was like, hey, sounds good. So yeah, so Wednesday I'm going to do the video on, you know, opening the giveaway. All right, how to blend this. With that is some, that's some shocking color there, isn't it? Oof. Hope this isn't taking too long, guys. I don't usually take forever on these because I usually only use like 2 shades, but I don't know. This sort of called for more than 2 shades, I think. What do you think? So, I don't know, I can't get it to go exactly the way I want it to, but you know, it's the story of my life, right? Oh, okay, let's blend that a little bit. I'm more like patting it right on that where it joins. Oh yeah, I got that stuff on my face. Yes, I did. All right, I kind of feel like that's good. I'm gonna go put on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's almost more yellow. I did put a little green glitter on the lips, and some little sort of olive green. I don't know, I was kind of going for green, but maybe yellow or gold would have paired better with this. What do you think? Let me know, comment below. But you know, that's one of the reasons that we do this, so now I know next time, maybe not green, maybe yellows and golds would be better. Until the next time, I hope you wake up dancing, ba-bum-bum, wake up dancing every single day. God bless you and bye-bye.